I find it's very interesting because we have tons of metrics. We have, weekly business reviews with these metric decks, and we look at we know so many things about customers and their whether we're delivering on time, whether the packages have too much air in them and, wasteful of packaging and so on. We have so many metrics that we monitor. And the thing I have noticed is that when the anecdotes and the data disagree, the anecdotes are usually right. There's something wrong with the way you're measuring it. And that's why it's so important to keep you need to run something where you're doing, shipping billions of packages a year. For sure, you need good data and metrics. Are you delivering on time? Are you delivering on time in every city? Are you delivering on time to apartment complexes? Are you delivering on time in certain countries? You do need the data. But then you need to check that data with your intuition and your instincts, and you need to teach that to all the senior executives and junior executives too.
So